2012, battling with the side effects of a sedentary corporate job. This was me in 2015 with twins and the pressures of a married woman. And now this is me in 2021, fittest ever, healthiest ever, and having the most amount of energy ever. So how did I do this? At first I did what everybody does. I googled. I got a lot of information, of course no real knowledge, but I tried the keto diet, the Atkins diet, the GM diet and whatnot. All I got was disappointed, devastated and frankly demotivated, which led to more stressful eating and more ill health. I decided to approach this scientifically and objectively. I started believing in evidence-based, research-based principles of health, nutrition and fitness, and the results are for you all to see. I took fitness, health and nutrition so seriously that even in spite of being a mom to twins, I went on to win Mrs. Maharashtra 2018 and IBBF Women's Physique Gold in 2019. The experience, expertise and the physical hard work that has gone in all these years has been used to develop the Metabolics Home Fit and Eat Fit plan. The Home Fit plan is a specifically curated plan for those busy people who want to stay on top of their health and fitness in spite of having no time and with minimal equipment. Whether you are a college-going kid or you are a working mom or a dad with literally no free time, you can be fit on this plan. The Home Fit plan has workouts 4 days a week. Each workout is planned in such a way that collectively these 4 workouts per week give you a complete 360 degrees of health and fitness via those 4 hours. All this from the safety and comfort of your home with minimal equipment. Being a well-rounded program in Home Fit, we cover multiple modalities of fitness. One of the most important ones for us is strength training. Strength training is literally the fountain of youth. It helps you not only for injury prevention, posture correction, it also prevents sarcopenia, which is age-related loss of muscle. The next modality we focus on is functional training. Functional training helps you understand how to move and how not to move in your day-to-day life. Whether it's picking up your child or picking up a bucket of water, you need to move it in the right way. Otherwise, you will get injuries, cramps, and really your quality of life will suffer. At Metabolics, we embrace yoga with all our heart because we know that yoga transcends the physical and we embrace it in all its forms. Pranayam, asanas, Surya Namaskar, mobility, flexibility, breath control, breath management, stress management and everything beyond that. Next up is HIIT, which is High Intensity Interval Training. HIIT helps you not only build your strength, stamina, endurance, it also helps you tap into those stubborn fat stores which have accumulated over the years, like the lower belly fat or the stubborn saddlebags. And this is one of the crucial things which beginners and advanced people need to do for proper fat loss. Lastly, we know that we need to be mobile, flexible and manage our stress to combat the wear and tear of daily life. Hence, Home Fit includes various practices sprinkled throughout the week to address your mobility needs, which help you prevent injuries, to become more flexible and supple, as well as manage your stress. The Home Fit program is based on science. Weight loss is just one aspect. Energy gain, strength and stamina gain. Injury prevention, a better quality of life, better stamina, better resistance, better immunity. All these come with proper scientific exercise schedule. And Home Fit is a medium which enables its members to be consistent, to get access to the best of each modality of fitness from the safety of your homes. It doesn't get better than this. So what happens when you join HomeFit? When you join HomeFit, first and foremost, you get a consultation call from me directly, personally. I understand all your previous health issues, your current health requirements, and we set some goals. I give you specific instructions based on your body type, your activity level, your previous history, what you should do, what you should absolutely not do in class. This would be your customized blueprint for the HomeFit class. I would say HomeFit is more effective than the gym because it gives you access to workouts from your home and at your own schedule. For the gym, you have to get ready and you have to make some time going to and coming from the gym. Exercises remain pretty much the same. The weights change, of course, equipment changes. But in terms of results, if you are consistent with HomeFit workouts, there should be no difference in the results that you get with HomeFit or at the gym. The best part about HomeFit is that you don't have scope for any excuses. Not only do I go live 4 times a week, all my videos are saved and accessible to all the members all the time. So when you join right now, you already have more than 100 curated, awesome fitness videos waiting for you to be worked out. When it comes to exercising, variety is the spice of life. Every month we have a theme. So for example, this month the theme is cardio, that is fat loss, as well as strength training. So it's themed as dynamo. So 30 minutes of strength combined with 30 minutes of fat loss. Each day is differently themed. On Mondays you may have leg, Wednesdays core, Fridays upper body, and Saturdays is rest, restoration and yoga. This way you don't get bored, all different parts of your body are equally focused upon and you get stronger as a whole. Injury prevention is a prime focus with the HomeFit program. When you join, I study your injuries, your past medical history, and you receive specific instructions with respect to those injuries on how to perform certain movements. I may even ask you to record yourself and send your exercising forms to me so that I can be on top of what you're doing, in spite of the fact that it's a virtual class. Secondly, during the class, I demonstrate how you should and should not do each exercise. I also make specific references to injuries of the shoulder, the lower back, the ankle, the knee, so that those of you who have these conditions modify the exercises accordingly and don't do anything wrong to further increase the injuries. At HomeFit, we believe in one thing. What you don't measure, you cannot manage. We believe in progress tracking. So the moment you join HomeFit, you will receive a progress tracking form wherein you will fill your details like weight, height, waist, etc. But not only that, you will also fill in parameters like how many squats you can do, how many push-ups you can do, how long is your plank, and so on. So we also test you on those parameters, and month by month when you fill these parameters and you see your progress, you not only get happy, you also get positively reinforced to work out more. It is very different from the online or YouTube videos available because there the trainer does not know you or your history or even your medical conditions. Here, for every member, I do have a personal consultation call. I understand your current situation, your requirements, your past medical history, and you have specific instructions to address them in the workout plan. For each exercise, I demonstrate a beginner variation, and there is a running commentary on why you should do something and why you shouldn't do something. For example, when I'm showing a push-up, I will show a beginner push-up, I will show a push-up with knees on the floor, and I will show a push-up without knees on the floor. Since you already know whether you are a beginner or an intermediate, you will follow the variation most suited for your condition. The HomeFit program is specifically designed to give busy people like you results with minimum resources, least amount of equipment, and in a minimal amount of time. Time flexibility, progress at your own pace. All you need to do is be consistent and adhere to the program week after week. You will see results in no time and you will be amazed by what you see. This is the best curated personal training experience in a group setting. Do check out the testimonials from people just like you from around the globe to understand the experience of HomeFit and EatFit better. So guys, what are you waiting for? Join me live just 4 days a week and be really amazed with the results.